Bonjour everyone! In French, not everything is about culture and food. Remember that French is a language of diplomacy and business. Let's learn how to talk about work in French. A job is called un métier or une profession. What is your métier? Are you un médecin? Une pilote d'avion? When are you working? Tous les matins. Every morning. I start at 8:30. À 8h30. I have a lunch break, une pause déjeuner à midi. I finish work à 17h, which is the French way to say at 5 p.m. I work these hours Monday to Friday, du lundi au vendredi. If you are un professeur or un cuisinier, a teacher or a cook, you might also be working le soir, in the evening. Take some Lingoda lessons to get ready for your first day at work. Bonne journée au travail!